Have you ever wondered what the world looks like up close? Beyond what the naked eye can see lies a universe of intricate detail and stunning beauty. Today, we're taking a journey into nature's miniature marvels, tiny worlds that will leave you breathless. Prepare to be amazed by the unseen wonders that exist all around us. Our adventure begins with a simple drop of water. Under the microscope, it transforms into a bustling metropolis. Single-celled organisms like paramecium and amoeba come alive, their movements a mesmerizing dance. These microscopic creatures are the building blocks of life, each playing a vital role in the ecosystem. It's a reminder that even in the smallest spaces, life thrives. Next, let's explore the world of plants. A cross-section of a leaf reveals a complex network of cells, each with its own function. The chloroplasts, tiny green powerhouses, capture sunlight and convert it into energy. Veins, like miniature highways, transport nutrients throughout the plant. It's an intricate system, a testament to nature's efficiency and design. Now, let's turn our attention to the insect world. A close-up of an insect reveals a world of exoskeletons, intricate eyes and delicate wings, the hairs on a bee's leg, the scales on a butterfly's wing, the compound eyes of a fly. All these details become visible, showcasing the incredible diversity and adaptation of these creatures. Each feature is perfectly designed for its survival. Finally, let's journey into the realm of crystals and minerals. Under the microscope, these seemingly ordinary objects reveal extraordinary patterns and structures. The geometric precision of a salt crystal, the vibrant colors of a mineral specimen, the complex formations of a snowflake, all are breathtaking. They are a reminder of the underlying order and beauty in the natural world. So, the next time you're outside, take a moment to appreciate the world around you. Remember, there's a whole universe of beauty and complexity, waiting to be discovered just beyond what the eye can see. Nature under the microscope is a testament to the wonders of life, a reminder of the infinite details that make our world so extraordinary.